Millions of households face LPG gas accidents. Leaks happen silently. Cylinders run empty at night. Traditional regulators? They're just dumb valves. But what if your gas regulator could think? Detect leaks? Monitor your gas level? And shut off automatically? I built Safeguard, a smart gas regulator. That could save lives. Let me show you how it works. Safeguard uses an ESP32C6 microcontroller as its brain, combined with multiple sensors for complete safety. The MQ2 sensor constantly monitors for gas leaks. For load cells, measure the cylinder weight, telling you exactly how much gas is left. And this servo motor? It's the guardian. It can physically shut off your gas supply in emergencies. Everything connects to your phone. Real-time alerts. Remote control. Complete peace of mind. Let's test the most critical feature, leak detection. Right now, everything is normal. The sensor reads clean air. Watch what happens when I simulate a small gas leak. Within 3 seconds, the system detects it. Look, the buzzer activates immediately. The LED starts flashing red. And most importantly, the servo automatically turns off the gas supply. At the same time, my phone receives an instant notification. Gas leak detected, supply shut off. Ever run out of gas while cooking? Not anymore. Safeguard continuously monitors your cylinder weight. See these 4 load cells? They measure the exact weight and calculate remaining gas percentage. The app displays it in real time, updating every few seconds. When you hit 15%, you get a time to order notification. Here's a safety feature most people don't think about. Nighttime protection. Gas leaks at night are especially dangerous because you're asleep. Safeguard can automatically shut off gas supply during night hours. I've set it for 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Watch, at the scheduled time. The servo rotates and cuts off supply. No gas flow while you sleep. In the morning, it automatically restores supply. You can override this anytime through the app. Complete control from your smartphone. From the app, you can manually turn gas on or off. Maybe you're leaving for vacation. Check real-time gas levels and consumption history. View sensor readings, gas concentration, temperature. Configure night mode timings. Set custom alert thresholds. Everything is logged. You can track your gas consumption patterns over weeks and months. This is version 1. I'm already planning improvements. To remove the load cells and adding another technology to measure levels, everything inside the 32 printed shell with custom PCB with better optimization, battery life, and more safety. If you found this interesting, I made the complete build guide. You can check link in description. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.